Carlos and Phil. Ooh, Phil. Okay, Henry and Juan Carlos against another Juan Carlos and Phil serving.
One word that describes it.
That's so funny. I wish I would have got that. I'm going to play this a little bit further back so we can see better. Nope, missed it. Okay, here we go again. Nice, good. He was in the way. Got to take that over. What's up, Samir?
Is it a good game?
Yeah, it's a pretty good matchup here. How you been, Samir?
Good, buddy, good.
All right, I'm gonna get out of here. I'm like, I came in the morning, so I'm like low energy.
Have you been here yesterday?
Yeah, I came in twice. Ooh, skipped it. Nice, what a nice pass. Yep, that was excellent pass. Oh. Nice shot, Henry. Cornered it. Nice kill, right there in the corner. Henry, you're blocking out most of the. You like need a narrow lens to make you look skinnier. Nice shot, Henry. Huh? Yeah, he's a wide body. Nice kill. Gets him out. Juan Carlos played against yeah, he may show up. He's still. Oh, nice shot. Very nice game. Very nice. He moves side to side really well, this kid.
Has a serve, all right? And they have.
It was he was in the way. Couldn't see.
Let's say a double is too practical. Let's start with a single. Okay, we got. You serve between those two lines. That's when you
Skip.
and then you serve. You have the ball has to drop after the dotted line. Okay. And.
Nice shot. Nice kill. One.
Okay. drop between that line and the glass. And the glass, yes. Okay. And they have the sidewall. If you hit the sidewall, you have. You have two serves. Okay. And then after.
Oh, Phil, come on.
But you have to hit once. So you have to hit the phone wall.
Yeah, like you can hit off the
Yeah.
Ooh, Henry. Henry.
And you lose the point, it doesn't count. If you serve and you win the point, it counts. I see it hits the wall, he has a second serve.
So you have to keep hitting the walls, they can bounce on the ground and something.
Yeah. It has to touch the floor. You can even hit it before it touches the floor.
Oh, Henry, come on.
But you cannot.
Come on, Henry.
You can hit it before it touches the floor, but you should not, when you serve, you should not go over the dotted line. You have to wait till it gets over the dotted line. Usually if it's pitched twice,
Good shot, Henry.
it's done. Only one.
Oh, Henry, past you.
It's a good game though. It's called cut rule. So usually it's 1 against 2. So yeah.
All right, Phil, nice dink.
Cut rule. So
That was a dink.
against him, and then they rotate. You know?
Okay,
Yeah.
Two serve. That's a nice shot. You see how fast he reacted to that? He just like, very nice. This kid moves really well. Learned a lot from him. Off the back wall. Oh, you could have waited. Oh, nice shot. JC. Very nice. Okay, here Phil will serve. Ooh, nice serve. Game over. All right. The winner.